There is a wide variety of foods you can add to your diet. While some might be great at providing extra protein, others could be excellent sources of another vitamins and minerals. But what if you eat all? These foods are often considered healthy choices because they offer a lots of nutritional bang for your calories buck. Hi guys, in today's video we will discussing the most nutrient dense food on the planet, salmon. If you like fish, then that's great. Salmon is probably one of the most nutrient dense food out there. This popular fatty fish brings all the crucial nutrients to your dinner table. 100 grams of serving salmon provide you with nearly 25 grams of protein, 250 milligrams phosphorus, 400 milligrams of potassium and 30 milligrams of magnesium, plus reasonable amount of calcium, vitamin C, selenium and folate. Besides, it also contains trace amount of vitamin D, vitamin B6, vitamin A, copper and zinc. Studies have shown that a 200 grams of serving of farmed fish salmon includes 2 grams of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fats are highly beneficial for cardiovascular issues. Well, they help lower your triglyceride levels and reduce blood pressure significantly. If you want to include more omega-3s in your diet, consider adding salmon to your meals. Blueberries. Blueberries are a small but mighty fruit that packs a big punch. When it comes to health benefits, they are a good source of vitamins, minerals and antioxidants, and they have been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease, stroke, diabetes and other chronic disease. One of the most impressive health benefits of blueberries is their ability to improve heart health. Blueberries contain anthocyanins, which are antioxidants that have been shown to reduce inflammation and improve blood flow. In addition, blueberry can also help to lower blood pressure and improve insulin sensitivity. This makes them a beneficial fruit for people with diabetes or who are at risk for developing these conditions. Blueberries are also good for brain health. They have been shown to improve cognitive function and memory in older adults. Eyesight is a particularly susceptible to oxidative stress, and studies suggest blueberries consumption may support eye health and improve vision. Eggs are undisputably one of the best breakfast options to start your day with. Not only are they easy on your pockets, but they also provide you with various nutrients. They are super versatile and you can whip up many dishes with these nutrient dense food. What do you prefer? Scrambled eggs, jams and egg toast, or egg sandwich? Take your pick. Eggs have two parts, egg white and egg yolk. The egg white contains more protein than the yolk, which is mainly a source of fats, vitamins and minerals. It is generally suggested that eating 2 eggs daily can provide you with almost 30% of your daily nutritional requirement. However, your specific dietary need may vary depending on your age, gender and weight. Eggs are a nutrient dense food, with egg yolk being rich in vitamin A, D, E, K, B1, B2, B6, B9 and B12. While egg can fulfill most of your vitamin requirement. Besides vitamins, egg contain many essential minerals such as phosphorus, calcium, potassium, selenium, copper, iron, magnesium, manganese and zinc. They also contain sodium but in moderate amount. Which nutrient dense food will you include into your diet? Let us know in the comments below.